Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact live source, API, ODB, data feed, or a database. Once you know that, install or enable Power Query and any necessary ODB drivers so Excel can talk to the source. Make sure you have endpoint URLs, credentials, and a sample query ready. This saves time when creating the connection. Now open Excel's Data tab and choose the matching connector, API for web, from database for SQL. Then paste credentials and a test query to establish the initial link. Once the connection exists, you'll transform the feed inside Power Query because raw live data often needs shaping. Apply filters, split columns, set correct data types, and pivot or unpivot so your model stays consistent. Make sure to enable query folding or incremental refresh when the source supports it to reduce load and speed updates. Then load to either a worksheet table or the Excel data model, mapping columns deliberately so formulas and pivot tables reference stable fields. This ensures reliable, repeatable updates. To finish, set your refresh behavior. Manual for control, on file open for convenience, or schedule via Windows Task Scheduler or Power Automate for unattended updates. Once done, automate save and versioning so you can roll back if a refresh breaks. If issues appear, check credentials, firewall rules, and rate limits, and inspect Power Query diagnostics for failed steps. Make sure you handle schema changes by using flexible transformations. One troubleshooting tip: if a refresh fails, re-authenticate and run the query step by step to find the exact broken transformation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.